Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1972 Chevy Chevelle Coupe. Very nice Chevelle. Of course, you know this is the last year of everybody's favorite coupe. Going to the one we have here featuring a red exterior with the SS stripes coming from the hood to the back. Also having the hood pins, rally wheels, and the white letter tires. Sure does give it an impressive look on the outside. Going into the interior now, you can see it is a nice leather bucket seats, appropriate horseshoe shifter. You have the tilt column, the appropriate tilt column I might add, not the cheap aftermarket one that messes with your turn signals. And you got the old school Chevy wheel. I also want to add that you got the appropriate cluster. Definitely one way to tell a real one from a fake one. Doesn't have the long dash, but it also has the tack on the left side. Not a cheap one that you stole out of a Monte Carlo. But other than that, going underneath the engine, you got a big block 454. Very smooth cruiser, I might add. Of course, most big blocks were made to be rowdy and fast and crazy, but this one is just right. I also want to add that there are factory AC components, but let me make this very clear. I do not believe that the AC is hooked up, although all the parts are still there. But going up the road now, hearing that nice little 454 purr is very nice, very clean, shifting very good. Even on the road, the wheel's not shaking as bad as we think it would be. But you know, these old cars, they just need to be run, loved, and very appreciated. And since we're coming up to a stop behind this big truck, we can show you how the brakes work. Brakes are pretty good. But other than that now, we're just gonna get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.